Good morning, students. Now we see the unit 1, and the title of the unit is measurement. In our day to day life, we measure many things such as the weight of the fruits, vegetables, food grains, volume of liquids, temperature of the body, and speed of the vehicle, in which everyone has different measurement and different unit. Now we see this in this chapter. Now we see International System of Units, that is also called as SI system. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. So not only Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit are also used to measure temperature. For this, Kelvin is the standard unit for measuring the temperature, that is expressed as capital K. For measuring the distance, meter and kilometer are also used. For this, meter is the standard unit for measuring the distance, that is expressed as small m. Electric current is measured in ampere and is expressed as capital A. Time is measured in hour and second. For this, second is the standard unit for measuring the time, that is expressed in small s. Amount of the substance is measured in molecule, that is expressed in small mol. So mass, weight, mass is measured in kilogram and gram. For this, kilogram is the standard unit for measuring the mass, that is expressed as small kg. Candela is intensity of light is measured in candela, and that is expressed as small c and d. Now we see something about the distance. The distance between one point to the other desired point is known as the length. What is length? The distance between one point to the other desired point is known as the length. It may be distance between the edges of your school book, or the corners of the football ground, or even from your house to school. Now we look at the picture. In this picture, two students are measuring the length of the blackboard with a measuring tape. So the answer is in the meter. Standard unit of the length is meter, that is expressed as small m. Very small length is measured in millimeter and centimeter. Now we know the unit of length. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Now we see about the mass. Mass is nothing but that is the weight. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. What is mass? Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. For example, what is your mass? What is your mass? Yes, 30 kg. We measure our weight in kilogram. We measure our weight in kilogram. If we measure our weight in gram, means we will get a big number. So we use kilogram for measure our weight. Likewise, bigger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. Now we see the unit of mass. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 kilogram equal to 1 ton. Now we see something about the time. In our life, we use clock to measure time. Now we see the unit of time. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 24 hours equal to 1 day. Now we see some measuring tools and its uses. First one is a meter scale. First one is a meter scale. It is used to measure the length of the object. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to measure the length of the distance. Measuring tape is used to measure the length of the distance. Length of the distance. Stop clock. Stop clock. Stop clock is used to measure the accurate time of the activity. Measuring jar. Measuring jar is used to measure the volume of the liquid. And the last one is balance. Balance is used to measure the mass of the object. Thank you, students.